Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kasturi. Sometimes we are thinking what to paint. We are searching for references here and there, but we ignore the things which are easily available in front of us. So today I will show you how our balcony garden can be a very wonderful subject for our drawing. We have lots of different types of ornamental plants like succulent, cacti. So I thought to capture some photographs and use as my drawing subject. First start with the sketching with different shapes of leaves and cacti. I am not very much precise on the drawing, making only the shapes. Before start sketching, you can make a composition in a different sheet. When you are satisfied with the composition, you can transfer the final drawing on your drawing sheet or canvas, whichever you want to use. And this is my final drawing. I'm going to use 2 to 4 colors: white, dark green, brown and yellow ochre mainly. And you can apply your colors, which color you like and which color will suit your drawing. You can apply those colors. So brushes, I have taken 3 brushes actually, 1 filbert brush, number 3 round brush and number 2 also round brush, but I'm not sure which one I'm going to use. Yes, I am using number 3 brush and mixing colors with white and green and create a base color, and I apply the first layer with very lighter value. This is very opaque. This way filling all the base colors using white and yellow ochre, white and brown, and the shades are the value of the color are very light in the first layer. After filling the light colors, now increase the intensity of the color. When you increase the value of colors, it creates a depth in your painting and make your painting more beautiful. When you complete the coloring part, take a micron pen and draw the outline of every shape. To make your drawing more dynamic, use white color to highlight some areas of your painting. This is the final look, and now I have to remove the masking tape which I pasted 4 sides of the paper. And don't forget to sign your painting in the corner. Hope this video will guide you how to create your own reference as your painting subject. And if you like, please subscribe my channel and please hit the like button and share with your friends. And take a beautiful picture and share in your Instagram or Facebook post. I'm Kasturi signing off.